Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create PayPal account. So first things first, you just have to go to PayPal, click this one right here, the first link, and then here you need to enter some information like basic information. So you need to click sign up. This is PayPal. If you have an account, just tap on sign in or login. So here in the sign up section, you will have to choose either personal or business. So you have the information right here. You can read. So this time we will choose personal. And then after that, tap on get started. Now, next is you need to enter your email address. So you can add your email address right here. Once done, then you have to tap on the next button. And then after that, you need to enter your phone number. It's very important because in some transactions, they will send you a code to your phone number in order for you to proceed the transaction. After that, create a password. Then make sure this one is a strong password. You will see here how to create a password. As you can see below, you need to follow this. And then once done, tap on next. Next thing to do here is enter your name, your middle name, and your last name. So you can recheck everything before you create your account. Make sure also that the information that you have added here matches to your official ID or the ID that you're about to submit to PayPal. It could be driver's license, passport, etc. Depends on your country. Now enter here the nationality and then your ID. After that, ID number, and make sure that this one is correct. It matches to your passport ID or ID number. And then enter or add your date of birth right here. Once done, tap on next. Add your address and then check these two boxes. Agree their terms and conditions and create an account. And then once done, then you should see your account has been created. You can now go shopping or send payments. And basically that's it. Now you need to submit important documents and also add your credit card or bank account here in order for you to proceed with your transaction. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.